I'm Navani, co-founder of Uncanny Vision. We are an AI-based video analytics company focused on cameras. So we do vehicle analytics for license plate recognition, parking applications, transportation, and we also do people analytics focused on unexpected action in security applications for ATMs, retail locations, just perimeter protection, those kind of applications. Is everything that we do at Uncanny Vision, we focus on real-time edge AI-based video analytics. So, for example, when we see a vehicle, we read the license plate, we have to open the gate, we have to open the boom barrier within 1 second. Now, to do that real time from the cloud and sending commands back is just too difficult, and the amount of latency is something there's nothing you can do about latency. Even if you have good network connection, latency is a problem. So most of the applications that we work on, we needed the system to be on the edge to do edge applications. The key challenges that we have is these devices, because they're on the edge, they are sometimes outdoors, sometimes in a parking lot, sometimes on the traffic pole for intelligent traffic systems, and they need to be all managed consistently, accurately. And quite often, what we find in security applications, for example, there are cameras, but they stopped working 6 months back, and no one even knows that it's not working. No one's monitoring those. So, being able to manage these systems that are remote, on a 24/7 basis is very important for us. So that's kind of one of the challenges that we like to solve with COP. So we have a fleet of a few thousand devices that we need to manage, a few thousand cameras that we're monitoring that we need to manage, all the way from Australia to Japan to Singapore, India, the US, and Africa. And we need to do this from remote locations. So AiKaan allows us to manage these fleet of IoT devices remotely.
Okay.
Features that we use and like are remotely being able to log in, update the software, being able to monitor the functionality, get logs from these devices so we can manage all of it. So without AiKaan, we would have had to roll our sleeves and build and get pieces. In the past, some of our competitors, they have customers open up remote ports and firewalls at customer locations. Those are all very cumbersome in nature and problematic from a security perspective. So we might have done a mix of those and try to. But that's not our core competence. Our core competence is to advanced, very accurate AI-based vision solutions. So that's what we'd like to use functionality from us. Okay, so we in terms of time to market and being able to manage these devices. If there are issues, the downtime we would have faced is probably quite a bit. We haven't exactly done a math on ROI in terms of numbers, but it's just kind of a no-brainer from an ROI perspective to use a system like this to manage a large fleet of devices. The ROI is just very obvious to us.